Hello, this video shows you how to review the improved amortization schedule calculations for non-property leases. Before reviewing the updated calculations for the schedule, complete these tasks. Set up constants, accounts, bill codes, AAIs, create assets and units, create lease and define the lease terms, set up recurring and manual billing for your asset, and create amortization schedules. These tasks are described in the setting up balance sheet lessee accounting, setting up a lessee lease, and running lease commencement for balance sheet lessee accounting videos. For the purpose of this illustration, we will review the schedule of leases for which the amortization schedules have been created. Access the Work with Amortization Schedules program and search for the lease you want to review. With the improved amortization schedules, the JD Edwards system performs the calculation to maintain an accurate accounting process. Let us see how. The lease here has payment method set to in advance. The system deducts the payment from the beginning balance and calculates interest on the remaining balance for each period for leases paid in advance. In the last period, the payment made on the first day equals the beginning balance. Therefore, after deducting the payment, there is no remaining balance on which to calculate interest. Consequently, the last period does not show an interest amount. The lease in this example starts with a term of free rent and has the payment method set to in advance with monthly billing frequency. The lease starts in January 2021 and ends in December 2023. The lease provides 2 months of free rent. The payment period begins on March 1st, 2021. Note that no interest is accrued during this free rent period because the recurring billing starts on March 1st. If the interest is to be accrued during the free rent period, the recurring billing would have started on January 1st with 2 months of zero payments. A step rent is included. So for the period of March 1st, 2021 through December 31st, 2022, the lease amount is $3,000. For January 1st, 2023 through December 31st, 2023, it is $4,000. The last period shows no interest and no ending balance as the payment is made in advance at the beginning of December. Let us look at another scenario. The lease in this example starts on January 1st, 2021 and ends on December 31st, 2023. This lease has a semi-annual billing frequency with step rent. The payment amount for the first and second billing periods, that is January through December 2021 and January through December 2022, is $6,000 each. The payment amount for the final billing period, that is January through December 2023, is $12,000. The payments are made in January and July for semi-annual billing. Notice that the final payment is made in July 2023. Therefore, the last 6 periods show no ending balance as the payment is made in advance. Now let us look at a lease with similar details. However, the payment method for the lease is set to in arrears. The lease starts in January 2021 and ends in December 2023. There is a step rent, so the payment amount for the first and second billing periods, that is January through December 2021 and January through December 2022, is $6,000 each. The payment amount for the final billing period, that is January through December 2023, is $12,000. Payments are made in June and December for semi-annual billing. Notice that the final payment is made in December 2023 as the payment is made in arrears. For non-property lease generated with payment method set to in arrears, the system calculates the interest based on the beginning balance. After the interest and balance payment, the remaining balance in the last period is zero. With this enhancement, the payment amounts on the lease liability amortization schedules show accurate calculations for each period and follow the standard accounting principles. To learn more, access the Real Estate Management Implementation Guide on Oracle Help Center or visit us online at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.